Karatbars International, hello.
Welcome to Karatbars. My name is Harold Seitz. Thank you for taking a few minutes of your time, which probably can change your life. The time has come for a real and viable solution to bring families around the world true financial independence and security. And this is exactly our goal.
Karatbars offers you the opportunity to become financially secure and independent. Do you sometimes dream of financial freedom and independence? Whether part-time or full-time, you can achieve your financial goals with Karatbars. People from all over the world are coming together to take control of their financial future. Karatbars is now active in 74 countries worldwide. The idea is to save a fortune in small denominations, whether you buy gold for €50 per month or make your friends and family a gold gift. This unique marketing strategy and niche creates a new, easy, fun and safe way for everyone to own gold. Gold in small units will help you to secure your assets and buying power. Only 1% of the world population owns physical gold. With Karatbars International, you can now become part of this multi-billion-dollar industry as we help offer a solution which will secure the financial lives of millions of people around the globe. View our product line. Whether a classic gold bullion, gold business cards for the businessman or woman in your life, limited collector edition gold cards for the enthusiast, or an exclusive gift box, Karatbars will always have the perfect gift for that someone special in your life. If you're looking to commemorate a special occasion, there is no better way to indulge that someone special with his or her favorite champagne, hallmarked with gold. Each affiliate will receive their personal online Karatbars shop to display and market a variety of products. Full customer contact details will be supplied to you with each sale. From the comfort of your own home and through the power of the internet, you have the freedom to market Karatbars products. Please see now the 7 types of income opportunities that await you at Karatbars International. 1. Direct commission. 2. Unilevel bonus. 3. Generational bonus. 4. Fast start bonus. 5. Dual team bonus. 6. Karatbars pool. 7. Karatbars gold fund. Earn by simply recommending the Karatbars products and referring others to it. Display the product and benefit from our promotional tools. Earn from 6% to 26% direct commission from each product purchased through your online storefront. Your second income opportunity is the Unilevel bonus. Depending on the rate of conversion to gold, the only real money of worthless fiat currencies of your customers and affiliates, step by step you climb up and are pushed up to the top levels. €2 is equivalent to 1 point. Now you can see the point distribution at all levels. All points of your entire organization create the monthly totals amount for your qualification. As a silver supervisor, you need a monthly turnover volume of €2,500 and as a gold manager, €18,000 per month. You earn between 0.5 to 3.5% on all products that are sold in your organization. For the director steps, you need 2 or 3 direct lines and the respective minimum amount of sales. To become a Gold Elite Director, you must have at least 1 Gold Director in a single line or leg. Here you earn up to 5% of all purchases. For the generational bonus, you must have 1, 2, or 3 Gold Director Elites in your organization. You earn up to 0.25% in the generational bonus levels and up to 6% of your overall organization. Purchase a business package and earn up to €300 direct commission for each personally sponsored referral. The business package will include high-quality promotional brochures, gold gram ingots cards, bonus card credits valued at €100 each, and gold discount bonus cards. The bonus cards are a promotional item which will allow you the opportunity to offer your customer a substantial discount on their purchases. This creates a fantastic opportunity to grow your business. The dual system will automatically combine your entire organization into 2 legs. You can also build in the unilevel 3 or more legs. In the dual system, you need only 2. On one side at least 50 units and on the other at least 25 for each cycle of payout. This triggers a payout of 40, 60 or 80 euros depending on what level of business package you own. Here both the business and the individual products packages count. Each product is converted into units, and when your organization has accumulated 25 units on one side and 50 units on the other, a payout increment is due, which is paid out to you weekly. No matter how big your organization, it will always be counted to infinity. An example: you have sponsored 7 people in your organization and 2 direct referrals. Let's say you acquire 300 units on one side and 170 units on the other side. This calculates to 6 pay cycles. You will receive your direct commission of your sponsored partners and the commission of the cycles. This means 10%. €219 and €240 for the 6 cycles are €459 for the silver package. On the gold package, you will receive €688.50 and on the VIP package €918. The remaining 20 units will be credited for the next qualified and accumulated payout week. In the Karatbars pool, you earn on total sales of the company. This will be paid out on 8 levels, whether in the United States, Germany, Canada, or wherever in the world sales were generated. 95 euro cents per gram sold will be paid to affiliates who are participants in the pool. And finally, we have our Karatbars Gold Unit Share Program. With 3 legs of 9,000 points accumulation in the month, you are qualified for a share. The special surprise is that your shares of gold units will be posted directly to your account. Register today for your free Karatbars account. The advantages are obvious. Choose a business entry level of silver, gold or VIP packages. Build your business upon this example set that others will follow in duplication and earn your profit margin on gold of up to 6% and on all other products up to 20%. There has never been a better time than now to join our team. Our incentive program is unique. An iPhone with an illuminated logo of Karatbars, a mega luxury trip to Dubai, or perhaps a Rolex. The really fantastic part in our incentive program is that you have a running accumulation of your total increases in amounts of sales with no time limit to reach all incentives successively. So it is possible that you may earn in a few years a $1 million luxury villa to call your own. Anything is possible with Karatbars. In these uncertain times, you can make a real difference in your own security, your family too, and the lives of others. Gold in small units will help you protect the buying power of your money and offer asset protection. Less than 1% of all people own gold. This market is absolutely gigantic. After 2 years of a pioneer phase, we are now relaunched. People are looking for alternatives to secure their financial future. Join us as we help educate, inspire and share Karatbars with your friends and neighbors in 74 countries worldwide. Join us as Karatbars International. Take your chance and be there for the worldwide build-up.
Now it's up to you to make a decision. I have made my decision. There is nothing that could stop me to work with you and give you my support. Thank you for your time. I wish you all the very best and see you at the top.